I'm Mr. Meeseeks! Look at me!
These telepathic little bastards, they embed themselves in memories, and then they use those to multiply and spread out and take over planets. We could be infested with these things, so we gotta keep an eye out for any zany, wacky characters that pop up.
Ooh-wee! Whatever you want, Rick. We're here to help.
Thanks, Mr. Poopybutthole. I always could count on you.
Where are my testicles, Summer? Where are my testicles, Summer? They were removed. Where have they gone?
I believe I can access the history of Rick's gun and help you get back to him.
But can you help me get to my family, at my house?
Is your intention to abandon Rick using his own portal gun? In bird culture, this is considered a dick move.
All of Rick's moves are dick moves? What am I eating? What is this, bird seed?
It is random debris. I found it in my carpet. I don't know what humans eat.
You know what this human eats?
Don't be gross, Tammy.
Tammy, gross. Ah, jeez.
My sister died in the spaghetti.
Lubba dub dub! Ricky ticky tappy, bitch! And that's the way the news goes. Hit the sack, Jack. Uh-oh, somersault, jump. AIDS! And that's why I always say, shum shum, schlippity dop. Grass tastes bad. No jumping in the sewer. Burger time! Rubber baby bunkers! Lick, lick, lick my balls! Yeah, say that all the time.